this. Over the last, perhaps 5 or 6 years, around the world, particularly on the United Nations, different countries and different international organizations working on responding to the global challenges, and also perhaps more appreciation and acknowledgement of the importance of spatial information as perhaps a component or as a new lens to provide to the decision makers to better link their own data sets and or what we call it actually spatial enable perhaps the management of information side, and not only spatial enable or spatial management of the actual data set for the spatial side. So we're trying to see how we can leverage off the location-based information and adding that lens into other type of databases that we can then integrate and have a better informed decision-making and also transparency on location side. Corridor Data Integration Demonstrator Project is hosted by Center for Spatial Data Infrastructure and Land Administration, which is one of the recognized centers within Melbourne University and sits within the Department of Infrastructure Engineering. And the department, as you can see here, is actually combining the environmental and water management and also civil and structural engineering and geomatics side. You have already received the program for today's side, and I'm not going to the detail of that one. You will see the activity side, which we would like to get good, perhaps an update and also have opportunity for question and answer, as well as also some discussion, and particularly the panel actually at the end of this activity side. So the project, the main aim of the project is to support the livability. And in order to do that, to discovering the different things which is happening in different part of the region, as well as also data service access and service integration side, and also moving to the resource sharing between different departments side. And as I said, this is perhaps as a good opportunity. Actually, we have an opportunity for us to perhaps export our Australian expertise overseas and also contribute to UN and wider activities worldwide. Because through this project, so far we have received over 50 data sets from more than 20 organizations, which is very important, and now we can see how best actually we can integrate and also apply different analysis and new input for the, in this case, livability side, through the different demonstrator maximizing the potential side. From the organization of the project, as you can see, particularly what we have, from the data integration, so data integration platform, which we're trying to link between different databases and data sets that we have received, or access actually through virtual machine and also connected to different organizations here, and the interaction that we can make between the different demonstrator and, as I said, importantly, integrating between different demonstrators to be able to respond to the sustainability and also livability objectives and so on in this project size. We have, as a governance and also champions in this project, Victorian government champions that kindly supported and also shared and promoted this activity, which I would like to thank and acknowledge their contribution here, and also the research champions through the 4 demonstrator project, which we are delighted to have them all here today. And also I would like to acknowledge the partners, supporters in this particular project, and in particular Orin and also ANS. Actually the main perhaps funding is in that supported the project, and also the wider industry organization here as well.